He hasn't quite figured out the water bottle yet. I think he's trying to eat it more than drink it. Hi! You gonna come out? Come on.
I can't blame him. Never rains in Hooterville.
Oh. A little bit more water.
I'm sorry it didn't work out. I know your heart was in the right place. I finished the limerick to my Harry. You don't get it. You don't understand what it's like to be a little boy's best friend. To be someone who looks up.
Oh, now some food. Oh, maybe not.
Turn around and the only person he looks up to is covered with baby oil and nailed to the ceiling. Count your blessings. All kinds of pictures that could have been up there. Could have been the Moscow Ballet. Still,